The Perform, Achieve and Trade scheme, also known as the PAT scheme, is part of India's energy efficiency mission and rewards industries for saving energy. It sets a benchmark for energy consumption for each identified industry, which are called designated consumers. The factories and workshops that consume more energy than the benchmark are encouraged to invest in energy-efficient machines and processes to minimize their power consumption. For every 1 megawatt-hour of energy saved, the companies receive a certificate that they can sell on the Indian Energy Exchange or the other authorized trading platform, Exchange India Ltd. The certificates can be bought by the other DCs that fall short of their energy efficiency targets. The monetary value of the certificate is designed to generate some additional income for the DCs and offset the cost of the upgrades. The scheme has made enormous savings. Its very first cycle, which ran from 2012 to 2015, saved 9,500 crore rupees that would have otherwise been spent on buying fossil fuels. It has also helped build capacity amongst 5,000 engineers and operators in its first cycle and prevented the equivalent of 31 million tons in CO2 emissions. The savings grew to 31,445 crore rupees in cycle 2, and the avoided emissions doubled to 61.34 million tons of carbon dioxide equivalent. Also, the scheme has generated business for the suppliers of energy-efficient technologies and has spread a great deal of awareness about the possibilities of industrial energy efficiency. However, the scheme faces some challenges too. For instance, not every unit above the threshold consumes the same amount of energy. The ones that are marginally over may have to add the cost of the efficiency improvements to their finished products in the short term. Unless they can scale up production significantly, this may put them at a cost disadvantage compared to the larger manufacturers. Secondly, if the goals for reduction targets aren't high enough, many companies might exceed the targets, leading to too many energy-saving certificates being available for trading. This could cause their prices to drop, which would be counterintuitive to the goal of incentivizing investments in energy efficiency. Additionally, energy efficiency improvements are likely to be driven by high energy costs and not just PAT. This means that some industries may meet their targets out of their own necessities, which lowers the relevance of the PAT scheme to their operations. Yet, the PAT scheme is critical to India's goal of developing sustainably. There is plenty of room for improvements, such as setting targets that are designed individually for each facility.